Hello everybody, we are from Mulund College of Commerce, BMS department, and we are here with a management fest that is Inspira. Inspira is the heart and soul of the BMS department. We are having 9 events under the 4 major categories of general management, finance, HR and marketing.
Hi guys, I am here to introduce you all about the general management events of Inspira, one of which is Corporate Charisma. Now this event is all about redefining smartness with your style. So all those who are interested in the glamorous side of the corporate world, this event is for sure for you all, because first impression is always the last impression. Now the second event is PPT Fiesta. Now this event is for sure your ticket to the corporate limelight, as it projects your communication skill, your presentation skills. So guys, do participate.
Guys, the next event under general management is Managers Premier League. In this event, the participants will be experiencing virtual world of live auction. Just like the IPL auction, here the participants will be bidding, but for products and not for players. Maximize the worth of your assets and bid it to win it.
People, I'll be explaining about the finance events that we have in our fest. So the first one is Retro Stock. Now Retro Stock is all about stock trading that used to happen during earlier times. There will be a virtual trading ring wherein buying and selling of shares will happen. The best example for the same is Guru Movie. The next event is Money Mind. Now this event is for all the budding entrepreneurs who are wishing to bring out the creative and innovative business plan in front of the investors and get the funding for the same. So do participate.
Guys, we have 2 events under marketing, and the first is Gramin Bazaar. So as the name itself suggests, Gramin, that is village, and market, bazaar. So here basically you come up with an existing product or a new product and you market it according to your target audience, which will be all the rural area people, all the villages. You must have heard about Ganesh Tea. Now they started giving their advertisements by providing samples to the people in the local areas, and that's why the tea is very popular in the local areas instead of the cities and the other metropolitans. And the other event which is coming under marketing is visual merchandising. Now here you need to again advertise your product, but it has to be done visually. That is, you have to decorate your chosen product within a 4x4 area, and your decorum should be so great and so amazing that people feel attracted towards it and they tend to buy it. Now giving you an example of the person who took part in visual merchandising the previous year, and the product was shoes, and they made a whole castle out of the shoes. Here we know that the product is shoes, but the way, the innovative manner they choose to present their product and advertise it is all about visual merchandising.
Everybody, I'll be explaining to you the events under the head of Human Resources or HR events. The first event is Suit Up, the placement parody. As the name suggests, this event is a mock placement round. It has got 3 rounds under it. The first round is group discussion. The second are a few HR related activities, while the third is a personal interview. It is for all of those people who are trying to do an MBA later or want to get placed after their graduation. The second event under HR is My Manager, which is Let the Silence Speak. As the name suggests, My Manager is where you keep quiet and do a mannequin challenge. It's a fun event and a very light-hearted event where you depict the HR activities in a company and present it as a mannequin challenge. Hope to see you soon. Participate.